Good morning.
Good morning.
So we had a very fun evening at the beer festival last night.
Yeah, it was great.
Everyone was up for it. It was a good laugh. Lots of songs and standing up and sitting down and dancing and things.
We got to share with the American group what a shoey was, because the Australians near us did what Australians do. Shoey.
Drinking beer out of their shoes. Why? But yeah, it was a fun evening. It finished about 10:30, so it wasn't too late.
No.
We just had a chilled morning. It's a bit showery and rainy today, so we are going to use it as a good excuse to go to Rotorua and just to do our laundry.
Yeah.
And then if the weather is okay, we will try and see some free things in Rotorua.
Yeah, and we heard from the people who we work with that they weren't able to work today or probably tomorrow anyway. So it's not like we missed anything there.
No, they literally can't work today or tomorrow. So yeah, we shall see if we work on Monday.
Yeah, right.
Cool.
Be thankful this isn't smell-o-vision, because that is a sulfur pool. So that is sulfuric.
Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly.
Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. It smells bad. Hey,
Hi.
so we are taking a short walk around the redwoods.
Yes.
Uh,
the long one today.
Nah, tired after last night. But yeah, it is really pretty, and there's a bunch of different treks that you can walk, all varying lengths. The one we're on is only half an hour, but they go up to like 11 kilometers. It should be about 4 hours.
And they're all free, and then you can do the canopy walk, which is paid for. But I think we're not going to do that at the minute because the weather's a bit.
Yeah. But yeah, we also went to Sulphur Point, which smelled exactly like you think a place called Sulphur Point is going to smell like. But yeah, no, it's we've not done too badly with the weather. I'm just struggling. I'm tired, and we're not quite sure where we're going to sleep tonight. Because a lot of the freedom camping around here is either on the lake, so it's going to be very windy / smelly, and the one that was a bit more in a park was full.
Yeah, and that was like a good 15 spots.
Yeah.
Or because I think people just park there because it's obviously right in the middle of town.
Yeah. So we don't exactly know where we're going to sleep tonight.
I mean, we have a bed.
We have a bed.
We can pull up anywhere if we want to, but it's just
It's nice
having
to
facilities.
nice to have facilities when you go up. But yeah,
There's loads of holiday parks that we can.
there are.
Might have to look sooner.
But now we're going to go and continue to enjoy the redwood. And yeah, it is red. Some of them are huge. The biggest one you have to do the longer walk, I believe.
Oh, is that what is it?
Yeah. But yeah, no, still really impressive.
I don't know how much you would see like difference in this being like the big one.
Very impressive. I'm a bird wrangler. So I'm just gonna go put him on the side of the road. We're at the library.
Yeah, it was very wet, so we come here.
Very wet.
Everyone online is like,
A lot of seagulls around here.
I know.
Cool. Hi!
Hi!
So we are at Whakatāne Beach.
Yeah, Whakatāne Beach.
Yeah, which is lovely. It's a beautiful day. So a day off from work. It's Labour Day. So we have that. Just had a nice, slightly productive day. Got a few bits that we need. Now we're just at the beach. We know some people down here, so we might give them a text, see whereabouts they are, and go from there. But yeah, I mean, again, what a view.
Yeah, the cliffs is behind you.
Yeah. Lovely. So we are walking to a bonfire night.
Yeah, they celebrate that in New Zealand too.
Yeah, so we haven't really been filming much just because we've been working. But we've only got 2 more days of work before we slowly head back to Auckland and we'll actually start filming stuff again.
Yeah, we're just been at Edgecumbe doing kiwi picking.
Yeah, nothing too exciting. But yeah, it's weird to be going to a bonfire night in shorts.
Yeah.
So
I have a hat on,
Yeah.
but I do also have sunburn from the weather today, so
Yeah,
it's definitely not normal bonfire night.
it's been glorious today. It's been like 23 to 25 and like pure sunshine all day. We got treated to a lovely sky. But yeah, we'll let's go see what bonfire night's like.
Kind of the celebration in our country. It's every beginning, first weekend of October.
Okay.
It's brilliant. It's like there are a lot of attractions.
Hey,
Hi!
so we finished our last day of work, which
Yes.
is
It was long, but fine.
yeah, no, it was fine. There's 2 new couples that are moving into the house, so now there is
13 people?
13 people in that fucking house. 4 vans, 1 like kind of car.
Yeah.
It's oh boy.
That's a lot.
It's a nice time to be moving out, so at least there'll be 11 people to share 1 toilet and 1 shower.
But it has been good and it's been free. The work's been easy.
Yeah, it's been fine.
Days have been long,
Yeah.
but just boring. More than
But yeah, so we are going to where are we going? We're going to the shop right now just to get a few bits, and then tomorrow we will leave here, go back to Tauranga, and do a few more bits to work our way back up to Auckland to go to the World Cup final. I saw it. But yeah.
I found out there is a yoga class every.
Non mais d'habitude en fait je donne que du chocolat noir. Ça aurait été